Welcome to Squint. In this video, we're going to discuss how to access Squint's AI step verification feature. AI step verification is an excellent solution to help ensure an operator is correctly executing a step within a procedure. It allows admins to create a step where users can upload a photo and our AI will verify if it meets the required standards. Enabling AI step verification has several benefits, including automating and decreasing administrative workload when verifying procedural evidence, providing operators with immediate feedback on whether their submissions meet the target requirements, and allowing operators to re-upload photos as needed until they successfully meet the required standards. Here's what it looks like to set up AI step verification as an admin. Ensure you have admin privileges and enter the Squint app. Go to the Procedures library and press Create to start a new procedure. Whether you choose to auto-generate from video or enter your procedure in manually, you can find the AI step verification feature under the Steps section by pressing Add Step. Select AI step verification and add in the relevant details to your procedure or step. Press the blue Setup button and view the tips for the best results. For the best results, ensure that the photo is taken straight on versus at an angle. Once you're ready to take your image, press Add Example. You can upload a photo from your device's library or take a photo in real time. Once you've captured your image, press Use Photo. You'll be prompted to annotate your image. This is highly recommended. Click on the pen icon in the bottom left corner to unlock other options to annotate your image. You can choose between a pen, lines, dashed lines, arrows, rectangles, circles, text, or zoom. You can also change the color of the annotations by selecting the colored circle icon. The thickness of the pen or lines can be adjusted using a slider by selecting the circle with a dot icon. To revert any changes, press the Undo button on the bottom right. Press Done on the top right corner of the screen. Once you've captured what the operator should target when performing this step, press the blue arrow at the bottom right corner of the screen to continue. You'll then be prompted to add counterexamples. You should capture multiple images showing the outcomes that the operator should avoid. Ensure that you are matching the angle and framing of the original example image. Press the blue check mark at the bottom right corner of the screen to complete the process. You can now view the images in the step and manually delete and re-upload photos. Once you've added AI step verification in your procedure, ensure your procedure is published in order for your operators to access it. Here's what it looks like to perform AI step verification as an operator. Open a procedure that has AI step verification as the current step. Press Take a Photo and view the example photo you should try and match. Wait for the AI to verify the response. The AI feature takes several seconds on average to grade the uploaded photo from an operator, depending on the user's network connection. If the step was not correctly verified, Squint's AI will provide an explanation for the grading, and admins are also able to manually verify the results if necessary. Keep in mind, this feature is only available on mobile. You can also mark the step as a required step to ensure your operators are correctly executing the procedure. In conclusion, Squint's AI step verification feature is a powerful tool that streamlines the verification process within procedures, helping ensure accuracy and efficiency for both admins and operators. Whether you're setting AI step verification as an admin or performing the verification as an operator, the process is straightforward and designed to help you meet your standards with ease. That wraps up AI step verification. For more tips and in-depth guides, check out our other tutorial videos. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our Squint support team. See you in the next video.